Hello, well, look at this. This is our 1kW TV amplifier UHF. We're about to repair the unit because it had a little issue with one of the pallets, and the pallet is going to be replaced. This has to be done with very, very thin hand and carefully because it's very expensive and it has to be done correctly. Now, I wanted to share with you, besides the fact that you're seeing here the pallets, the fact that what we have as cooling system. We have these fans that they're made in Germany. Look how big they are. I'm gonna show you how big they are by showing my hand on top of them. See? Look. Look how big they are. Okay? And these fans are, like I said, made in Germany. They're made in this by this company that is very famous worldwide for their fans. These fans are to last over 45,000 hours, and maybe plus, maybe more than 45,000 hours. And what we do here is that we did a redundant system. Okay, so basically the amplifier will never be without a cooling system. If one goes down, the other one keeps on running. And basically there's never a chance that both of them are going to be down unless something very bad happens with the power or the energy. So it's a great way to keep your station and your TV station on the air. We are Elettronika. We provide not only sell transmitters, but we also provide service. This is one of my babies. We're doing repair right now. And if any questions, just give us a call.